Hey guys, it's Kat. I hope everybody's having a happy, safe, and healthy holiday. I made these a couple days ago for all my coworkers, friends, and family. I couldn't find like an actual pattern, but I did find like a Spanish-speaking video, which with my broken Spanish, I kind of got the gist of it. So I kind of put my own pattern together. And I wanted to share it with you guys. To make these little wreaths, what you're going to need to make it is your choice of worsted weight yarn in your colors. I'm obviously choosing green and red for Christmas. And then, so those two colors will be the 4 weight, the worsted weight. And then to make like a little white trim on it, you're going to use a 3 weight. I don't think this is a 3 weight, this is a 2 weight, but it had like literally sparkles in it, so I was like, yeah, so I gotta use that. So then you're going to need your tapestry needle. You're going to need a 3.5mm hook, which is an E-hook, some scissors, and if you want like mine, you can just get yourself some bells, which I got at the dollar store, some little ribbon, some embellishments to do whatever you want, some twine or ribbon to hang. I made some scrubs and bath soaps and lip balms, so I kind of make like a little packaged, and I added it to the package. So let's get that out of the way and let's make it here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our E-hook and we're going to chain 40. So you're going to do a slip knot first. So you put your yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, make it tight but not too tight, and then you're going to chain your 40, which is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You know what? I'm weird. Can we chain 41? Because I like it when I go to the other side, I have an even number. So let's chain 41. And we're going to start, and I'm going to change my pattern here to chain 41. Because, I don't know, I'm just weird. I like even numbers. Okay. That's why I only had 2 kids. Okay, so we're going to go into the second chain from your hook. It's not this one, it's this one. And we're going to do 3 single crochet in it. Single crochet is you insert your hook. Okay, you pull up a loop. You yarn over. You pull through both loops. Okay, you're going to do that in the next one. Insert hook. Not next one, just kidding. You're going to do it in the same one. Pull up a loop. Chain, yarn over, pull through. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with my brain? Insert in the same chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, hopefully you guys can understand that. I don't know what's wrong with my brain. I think I'm excited because we have 2 weeks off. Okay, we're going to go into the next chain and we're going to do 3 single crochet again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we're going to do that all the way across. Okay, I'm on my last chain here. 1, 2, 3, chain 1. And just kind of leave a little bit of a tail so you can attach your pieces together. Okay, so we got 1 here. Oh, of course, my yarn's all over the place. Okay. Okay, and then you're going to take your green yarn. Oh, okay. If I can find... Oh, look, here's an end. Hopefully. Okay. Okay, we'll set you aside. Okay, now we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to chain 41. We're going to chain 41. So we have a nice even number. So you're going to do your slip knot like last time. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 40, 41. Okay, and then we're going to do 3 single crochet in the second chain from your hook. 2, 3, and we're going to do that all across, and when we get to the end, don't tie it off just yet. Okay, I'm on my last 3 here. 1, 2, and a 3. Okay, I asked you not to tie off because I want to try something. With the original ones that I made, you tie it off and then you start on this side with the white yarn. But last night in my dreams, because I dream crochet, because that's my life, I want to try to do like the crab stitch or the backward single crochet, whatever you want to call it. I want to see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to attach my yarn. Okay. So then what I'm going to try to do is do like a single, see what I'm saying? Okay, so you go into the back stitch here, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. I just hope it stays curly. That's the only thing. I know when I do it from the other side it goes with the curl. So I'm hoping this backwards shenanigans, and then I think it kind of is cooler, prettier, more textury. I don't know if it's gonna work though, but we shall see. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna... Okay, I'm gonna try to do this all the way around, and let's see if it stays kind of curly. If it doesn't, I'll show you the way I actually do it. Okay, I think it's working, guys. Look, it's kind of staying curly still. So I think if you do the crab stitch or backward single crochet, whatever you want to call it, all in each one. So I go into the one and behind it, insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through boob. Yeah, pull through boob. You pull through both loops. Same thing. So I'm going to do that all the way across. And I'm going to tie off my yarn, and then I'm going to show you what I do next. Okay, I'm on my couple last ones here. And then this last one, I'm going to just slip stitch it. Come on, green. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'm kind of bumming. I wish I would have thought of this when I was making all of them for my friends and family. Just gives it kind of like a more like a snowy texture. Okay, and by the way, this glitter yarn, because I don't think I mentioned it, is Vanna's Glamour Lion brand. Vanna White Glamour. I think it comes in a bunch of different colors, but I don't know why I got the sparkly one. I had it, I used it, and it worked out. Okay, get that out of my way. Shoo. Okay, so now you got your green and your red. And now you're going to intertwine them. So, this is how I do it. Like so, and then you start just kind of going around and around. Oh, how did this one was longer than that one? Wasn't that interesting? Okay. So this one kind of turned out longer, but that's okay. it all works out. So then I take my trusty needle, and this I really don't have any rhyme or reason. You just got to connect the two ends together. So I just pick color. Okay. Get over there. Get. And I kind of just poke it through here into the same color, and I tighten it like so. I take the next one here, same color. Okay. Then I take the next color.
It's gone,
Go all the way to the green with the green. And I think this one I'm going to use to attach my jingle bell. So I'm kind of going to go right here like so. I'm going to turn this into a cat toy because I've already given everybody their ornament. So I'm just going to add it to the donations for the kitties. Okay. So now you have your wreath. Now if you have any embellishments that you want to add to it, which I won't for the cats because they'll just rip that off and choke on it, and I don't want to have that happen. So you can add your rainbow, you can add your bow, but I'm going to get my jingle bell. Let's do silver to keep with the theme here. I mean, I guess you can even do this with you can add the bell this way too if you want. The regular ones, if you're going to do a wreath with the ribbon and the bow and whatnot. But this is for kitties, and they're not going to care what it really looks like. And then with these, I tie it, and then I knot it. And then I just snip, because the ribbon and stuff is going to hide it. If you want to get crazy and kind of hide it and tie it off in there, that's fine. But like I said, this is for kitties, and I don't think they care. And there we go. There's the cute little wreath. I really like how this texture stuff came out. All my Fitbits saying, stop sitting on your butt. Okay, well there you go. There you guys have it. If you guys want to make it, create it, show it. I mean, you can add more chains and make it bigger if you want. This one's for some reason a little bit smaller. So there you go. Jingle Bell, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you guys celebrate. I hope you guys are having a good one, happy and healthy one, and I will see you guys soon, hopefully, on the next one. See you later, bye!